Hello everyone, let's do another knot. This is the Happy Days knot. So like the TV show, and just because these are happy days, let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. We're gonna come over, we're just gonna put in a fold of any kind that you want. We're just gonna fold it in half. Let's bring this skinny end over, let's come across like this. Back over like so. Let's fold this in half here. And then push it down like this, kind of creating a smile. Well, it'll look like a smile. So we're gonna leave it folded in half. We're gonna come around like this, and we're gonna come up and over like this. Folded in half, just back across the top. Then I'm going to take this one right here, and we're going to go up here. And then take this. Like that. Let's open this up. Kind of open that up there. Doesn't really look like a smile, does it? Doesn't have to be. Just could be. And open up like that. And there you have it. On your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you on the next video.